Welcome to BusyBooks. In this video, we will show you how to create a Contra voucher, deposits or withdrawals between cash and bank accounts. How to create a new Contra voucher. To begin, head to Vouchers under the Accounting tab. Select Contra Voucher. Now click on New Contra. Enter the necessary details including date from account to account. Enter the required amount. Now to save the Contra voucher, click on Save Changes. Your Contra voucher is now created. How to edit or delete Contra voucher. Go to Vouchers, select Contra voucher, and choose the voucher that you want to edit. Click on the plus button. Now, click on the Edit icon. Edit the required details. Click on Save Changes. And now to delete the voucher, click on the Delete icon. And you are done. Thank you for watching.